I'm going to show you how to disable the new liquid glass UI on iOS 26, in case you prefer the cleaner, classic iOS look. First, open your settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility, then go to display and text size. Now, toggle on reduce transparency. This minimizes background blur and gives you more solid menus and backgrounds. You can also turn on increased contrast to make text and UI elements pop more clearly, but that's up to your preference. To remove the translucent icons and soften the liquid glass vibe, long press any blank area on your home screen until icon starts jiggling. Tap Edit and then choose Customize. From here, select the Clear Look style. Choose Clear Dark for subtle transparency with a dark layer. It's great for readability, or select Auto to match your system's light or dark mode automatically. Exit the settings and your new icon style will apply instantly. And that's it. You've now disabled the liquid glass UI on iOS 26 and brought back a more traditional, distraction-free interface.